Okay, this is how to fix plumbing waste pipe. You can look at the video, you can learn how to fix plumbing waste pipe. For the beginning, start digging where we put the, it's now opening the hole. You can look at it, opening the hole for the pipe, then burning the pipe. About to, you can watch the video. Now it's now cutting the pipe so that I can burst through hole and melt the pipe. Keep watching, you know how to do plumbing waste pipe. This is the second part of it, fixing the pipe. All this work are not just, they are not hard. For you to learn, be focused, watch and learn, then you learn how to do all this. No, handwork is good. Handwork is good because there are many of our youth now, they are using handwork to make money. So handwork is good. So it's measuring the pipe and cutting it, then melting the pipe. Want to fix it again, you can watch the video, you see it. Keep watching, watch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's now busting the hole for the second entering of the pipe. You can see it melting the pipe now. Keep watching. There's nothing like handwork. Handwork is good. Handwork pays a lot. You can see what he's doing. From here you can learn. Always follow our page so that you know how to do handworks. There are handworks there. We have many handworks that will teach you. So just follow our page, like, share, comment, and we have both our YouTube page, our Facebook page. Always follow up. Always follow up for Peter Good page. He's now putting it for plumbing waste pipe. You can see it. Handwork is interesting and nice. Keep watching. Keep watching. You can see what he's doing. He's now covering it. After everything, he's now covering it. Just keep watching. You can see what he's doing. After putting the pipe, I'm now covering it. Don't forget to follow our page, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.